this amount of money is worked in only 1 hour, and you can maximize it. Yeah, how? By watching many hours. What if? Yeah, allow me ask you, my brother, my sister, how many hours can you watch adverts when you're told that in 1 hour you can watch and earn 7,200? It's a question for you. Yeah, I don't need your reply right now, but you will answer me when we meet. But for now, I'm giving you a scenario when you're working for only how many hours can I watch a day? Like for only 5 hours. That will be 7,200 times 5 hours. Calculate and give me the amount. No, I'm leaving this to you. I'm not going to write the answer, but I want you to imagine and think about it. Think about it. This is Digital Adverts Limited, Uganda, Kenya, and the world at large. Willie White, Digital Mall Landlord. Have a blessed day.